Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 81 Eloquent multiple table join with filter in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder inside this project. This project is already open. This my sublime text editor. This project inside this cmd open this command prompt open this project inside this. Let's PSP artisan server and enter successfully. This is a PSP artisan server command is working fine. This copy this URL and this paste here, successfully paste and slash admin login, and this is a admin@gmail.com. password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login, good. And let's click this city. Inside this is a join query is a implementation. This is a join, and this table is a previous video, please check. This table is available city table. Let's click this city. This is a join query is a previous video is a implementation. This is a two record is a show. Inside this is a two record is a show, and this is a join query is already implement. Same here, copy and route inside this web.php. Open this file successfully. This is a route is available. City underscore list. This is a controller. Inside this function is available city list. Let's control is a location controller. Inside this function is available city list. This is available city list, and this is name is a get method, and this is available admin city and list resource view admin city, and this is a list blade PSP. This is available, and this is a for loop is a previous video is all implementation. Please check this previous video. Inside this is a filter bar is a implementation. The city, this is a table name is available city table name, and this is a city model is already implement. Inside this city model is already implement. Let's model. Inside this is available city model, and this city model says copy and find. This is available this, and this is available, and this inside this is available. Good working. This is fine successfully. This is available this join query. Let's step by step. First of all, this is inside this is implementation. Search bar, search start and search end search is a end. First is a search start and end, and this step by step is a set. This is a step by step. HTML is a set. This is a body tag. HTML tag is a done. This is a copy and paste here, and this is a last is a paste here. Successfully this is a implementation, and this last is a br tag. Br tag is a set. Let's inside this title search city. This is a title is a search city. Search city. Search city title is a implementation. Successfully less. This is a form is a start. This form start, and this is a div is close, and this is a form is a close. Successfully form is a close. First of all, this is a id is a set. This same is a id. This is a id, single id is a set. Next is a same copy, and this is a name is a the same here, copy paste here, and this copy and inside this paste, and this name is a paste here, country name. country name is a set. Good, working. Let's save file and refresh this page. Same here, country name, enter country name, search and refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a id, enter id, enter country name. This is a big column, is a implement. Let's 4 5 and refresh this page. Oh no, this is not a 5. Inside this 5, refresh this page. This is a working fine. This is not 5 only. 2 save file. 2 is already available. 3 is a save and refresh this page. Good, working. This is id and next is a state. The same here, copy and paste here, and this is a state name is already same here, copy state. This is a state and this is a name is already included inside. This is a join query is a state name. The same here, state and state. Next is the last is a city name. Same here available. The city name, same, copy and paste here, city, same, copy and paste here. Successfully all set. Let's refresh this page. That's fine, successfully all good. This is IDs, country name, state name and city name. Let's inside this 2 button is implement, submit button and reset button. This is 2 button is a set. This is div inside this. First of all, this search button is a set. This search box next a tag is a create a tag inside. This is a class btn danger, btn danger. This is a reset and this inside this reset password is a this reset form, and this is a URL is a set. Same here, copy and this paste here. This is a paste here, URL, and this is a paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Good, working. This is a click this reset. This is a fine, good, working. This click this reset, successfully working fine. This inside this any tab is implement. Inside this id is name, this is id, this country, and this is a Lahore, and paste here, and this is a Binja, and this is implement, and click this reset. Successfully this is a blank. Good, working. Let's click this search. Click this search. Inside this is a field is all available. This search field, click this id available, country name, state name and city name. Let's open this. Inside this model is already created and this is a open. Let's remove this, remove inside this. Otherwise this paste is equal to dollar paste here, dollar self return, and this is a close, and this name is a again same name is a copy and paste here, and this name is a copy and paste here is equal to, and this is a paste, return, only return. This is a return is a set. Successfully working fine. Let's again check. This is a working good. Let's refresh this page as it is not a change. This is a syntax error is available. This syntax error, let's check this syntax error. Inside this is a syntax error is a show. This is a join query is a syntax error, and this is a join query. Inside the same here, copy and this close, paste here, paste here, and last is a paste here. This is a join query. Inside the syntax error is a show. This is a select self, and this is a syntax error is a available. Let's save file, and this is a close, this close, and last is a all close. Let's refresh this page. Oh no, this is a my mistake. Inside this is a not a implement, and this is a this save file and refresh this page. Good working. This is a fine, successfully set. Otherwise this same here remove, and this is a join queries are not used. This is a working fine. Let's remove, and this is a remove, and this is a excellent, is a not a issue. This remove, and this remove not used. This is save file as it is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. Successfully as it is a working good. This is not implement, otherwise implement. This is a fine. Let's search start and search end. Save if is empty request get this is a get is a means id is a available. This is a remove not use. This get this is a id means this id means less comma separate, and this is a open this Firefox, and this id same here copy and paste here inside this paste. This same copy where this table name is available city in this paste here inside. This is a id city name inside the city, and this is id is a set inside. This is a percentage is equal to id is a get. Same here copy this copy and paste here, and this close this. Next is a if is empty request get. This is a get is a set wait. This is a implementation. Same here copy, and this is a paste here only. This is a like query is a implementation. This is equal to not use only. This like query is a set percentage. Set this like query, and this is a data is available. This is a name is a inside. This name is a implement. This is a country name. Same here name is a inside this country name, and this is a country name, and inside this name is available this country name. Good working. This is a fine, successfully set. This is a country. Click this country inside this table is name is a country, and this is a name is a country. Good working. Let's next is the same here copy and paste here, and this is a name is a state. Click this state, copy and paste, and this is a name is available state name. Same here copy and paste state name. Successfully paste here. This name is available. First is id, country name, and state name. The state name, country name, and id. Last is this is city name. Same here copy and paste here. The city name is a city name, and this city name, and this is a name is available city. Click this city. Inside this name is available this city. This inside this city name is available. Successfully join query is implementation. Please check this previous video. All is a set. Good working. This is a country id. Inside this is a country id is available. This country id inside this country id. This is a country table. Next is a city. City inside this is available state id, and this is a state id is available, and this is a state id inside the state name. Successfully all set. Let's refresh this reset button. Click this reset and click this 1 and 5 for 1 and 2 available. Let's 9 and click this is a not a record available. This is a no record available. Good. This is a not available. This blank. Let's 1 and show research, and this is a available only one record. Good working. This is a one record available, and click this reset. All record is a show. All record is a show. Let's this name is a implement. Inside this implement and this search. Good. This is only this one name is a search, not a Pakistan. Inside this any name is a implement in this search, and this is a not a search, and this is a join query is a Eloquent is a working fine. Let's reset is a not a O is a available, only this two name. The same name inside this reset, and this is the name is a search, and this search working fine, good, working. Only this is a number is available. Reset, click this reset. Inside this binja, this is a binja, and this otherwise this is a implement. Only O, and this is a O, and this is a only name is a sense, this is a O. Successfully O is available. Let's only B and search, and this is a only B is a search, not a this is a name, only B is a search. Binja, good, working. This is a fine. This is a join query is a implementation, successfully fine. And this is a request. This request is already implementation inside. This is a request. Please write down inside this. First of all, this function inside this is a implementation, and this is a step by step implementation. The search bar is a start, and this inside this is a close this search bar, and this is a this all name is country name, state name, and this city name, and this is a ID. This is a not a use, this is a by default is a created, as it is a working fine. Any doubt to please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, and YouTube channel. And please new project development, so please contact me anytime. This is a list of project available. Please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Thank you.